In a previous video, I spoke about buying a monitorizer from a brand called Vaydeer after I bought a smaller version. The small one did just fine, the build quality was amazing, but I wanted something to save more space. So I ended up ordering the 2-tier riser. As the name suggests, it's something to be used to raise your monitor to your eye level, but the way I use it is more of a way to add space to my setup. I have a relatively small desk, about 59 inches by 27 inches. In centimeters, that's about 80 by 140 centimeters. Now, normally a gaming or a desk setup would consist of about 180 centimeters in length, or about 68 inches. So it's not small, but it's also not the biggest you could have. I also spoke about shipping and how they offer just for $5. You can get it for between 25 to 35 days, and they have a faster option for $10, and you can get, I believe, between 15 to 25 days. Now, funny enough, for the $5, I got mine in 21 days, so that was awesome. The shipment was delivered by FedEx. It came with everything included, including a gift, which is plastic clips. The assembly is pretty simple. I mean, we have a manual for instructions, but it's pretty simple. As you can see here, the only thing I'm struggling with is to assemble and fill. It's very sturdy, as you can see. Trying to do a pressure test here, and it's not budging. It's really, really sturdy. Now, in here, what I'm showing you is the previous monitor stand, just to give you an idea of what the change or what the before and after would look like. It's, with the new stand, I would get almost 4 times as much space as I would get with the current one. Here it is from a slightly different angle, just before taking everything off and assembling. Now, I do want to mention that everything that I review on my channel is mostly stuff that I use. You'll see as I'm filming, you'll see a lot of the things that are in the shot are actually stuff that I have reviewed before. So this is stuff that I really like and actually use on daily basis. Now, this is after I assembled it. I just put it on top of the table just to make sure that, although I did take measurements, it was just to make sure that it fits, or it will fit where I want it to be, and also to give you an idea of what it looks like versus the previous one. Now, as you can see here, I'm just taking off some those clips that I mentioned. I've actually, although I did get them as a gift with the new box, I have plenty of them. They're really, really useful. I would definitely if you want to have a good cable management setup, although this is not the best shot for it, but if you want to have a good one, they are a lifesaver. Now, this is after I managed to install everything. The installation itself wasn't really difficult. It took under 10 minutes to put everything together. The hardest part was actually putting it in place because I have quite a bit of wires that I have in the back. So in order for me to keep everything neat and keep everything hidden, I spent quite a bit of time putting everything together. Now, the last piece, or the reason why I waited this long before posting the video was because I wanted to add an accessory, the one you see here in the video. This is a COB, I believe that's how it's pronounced, or COB Light. They're basically light strip that I wanted to use on the back of the but it's really handy to have most of the things that I need within hand's reach. If you're interested in this monitorizer, I will leave a link in the description with a 5% discount. Just as a disclaimer, it's an affiliate link, so if you do end up buying using the link, I will get a small commission at no cost to yourself. That's been it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. I also spoke about shipping and which is plastic clips, and it comes with a switch and a USB connector. So I just opted for, normally like to work